Unit 1. Rain in the night. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitten wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I'll sell my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Poetess name Amelia Josephine Burr.
But first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Poetess name Amelia Josephine Burr.
Let us see the first stanza. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. This means it has been raining throughout the night. Sometimes it is loud, sometimes it is soft. This loud and soft combination reminds us about a song. Means when you hear the song, you can see the rhythm at times goes louder, at times the rhythm is soft. So, the noise of the rain, at times loud, at times soft, is making us feel like a beautiful song.
At times loud, at times soft, is making us feel like a beautiful song.
There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Now students, let's first see the difficult phrases in this stanza. Gutters. Gutters are the channels at the edge of a street that carry off water. Gutters are channels. Let me repeat. Gutters are the channels which you can see at the edge, at the end of the street, which carry off water. Lakes. Lakes are the big portion of water. Now my dear children, when it rains heavily, these gutters, they overflow because of the heavy rain, because of the rain water. They overflow. The level of water rises in this, and when you look at these gutters, you feel that it's like a river. So gutters get transformed into rivers. At times, when it rains heavily, these gutters overflow and you can see there is a water logging on the streets. And when you look at the streets, you feel that it's a lake. So, because of the heavy rain, what is happening? The gutters overflow like a river. And lakes, street get transformed into lakes. In this, our little kitty, you can see a cat picture over there? Yes. So she is a kitty. This kitty, who is very lazy, has to wash her dirty feet. Because she is very lazy, she don't want to wash her feet. Now because of this rain water, indirectly her feet are washed out. Third stanza. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but pansies are all get muddy because they are so short. Let me explain you the new phrase here, pansies. Pansies means the flowers with purple, yellow or white velvety petals. The plants bearing such flowers are called pansies. They don't grow very tall, they grow very short. As you can see, there is a colorful flower image. These flowers are called pansies. My dear children, you are aware of rose, you are aware of diamonds, you are aware what is king, what is queen. Yes, the king and queen where they sit and the people come with their difficulties or with their problems, and the place where they solve their problems is called a court, right? Now let us see the meaning of this stanza. This stanza says that the drops of rain water on the roses will shine like the diamonds worn by kings and queens at court. You might have seen many movies of king and queen. You have observed their jewelry made of diamonds. You have observed their dresses which are made of diamonds, right? So, when the drops of rainwater falls on petals of roses, they appear like diamond to us. And these diamonds remind us of the dresses of king and queen, the diamonds which are placed on dresses of king and queen. Next, pansies, they get muddy because they are too short. Because of the rainwater, force of the rainwater, these short plants, they get muddy. Now our last stanza. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Here it means the poet wishes to sail her boat the next day in a new and wonderful places. But before that, she want to take her watering pot and she want to wash the faces of the pansies.